Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, The Environment Express. What is noise? Noise may be defined as unwanted sound. Well, without sound there is no life, and nature as it has its own sound which is acceptable. A given sound may be music to one person's ear, but it may be a noise to another's ears. Pleasant when soft, but noisy when loud. Acceptable for a short time, but unacceptable when prolonged. There is ample evidence that prolonged exposure to loud sound is harmful in many ways. The louder a sound is, the more likely it is to be considered a noise. Noise is now regarded by many people as a pollutant which contributes to the deterioration of environment. Noise is now accepted as a potential hazard to health and communication. In residential areas, even low frequency noise of 50 to 60 decibel at night disturbs sleep, particularly among the aged people, causing adverse effect on health. Noise pollution has also impact on the travel of migratory birds from winter to tropical climate. So the increase of noise pollution has to be stopped. Noise pollution can cause psychological or pathological disorders. It is not only harmful for human beings but also for animals and birds.